Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can monospace your WhatsApp messages. Monospace is normally used for displaying code or for quotes. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, open the WhatsApp app on your device and also open the text of the person that you'd like to send the message to. Now on this page, you'll be able to see a message bar on the bottom. Tap on it and you'll be able to view the keyboard. Here, firstly, you'll have to type the message that you'd like to send. And now in order to select the text, tap on the message bar for some time and you'll be able to view this pop-up option to either paste, select all message or just select. Tap on the select all button and again you'll view this pop-up where you'll be given the option to either cut the text, copy the text, paste it or change it into bold and italic. Just beside that, you'll be able to see a three-dotted icon. Tap on it and on the second option, you'll be able to see a monospace button. All you'll have to do is tap on the monospace button and your WhatsApp message will be monospaced. So it is that simple to monospace your WhatsApp message, and if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.